changed her colour, her petals to unfold. When the nightingale flew over, in his beak a golden key, and revealed to her the secret of life's love and mystery. The white rose waited patiently, pure as the driven snow, and the nightingale sang sweetly a tune she did not know. The white rose blushed to pink just as the twilight fell. The first part of the secret the legend has to tell. Next evening the nightingale laid down the golden key. Her heart the pink rose opened to life's love and mystery. He dipped his beak so deeply into that gentle flower, her petals changed to crimson red at that twilight hour. And so the bride is married in the purest white. She blushes pink to think upon her coming wedding night. The groom to her will bring the deepest crimson rose. This is a symbol of his love, as everybody knows. The nightingale has told the tale of the golden key. He has unlocked the secret of life's love and mystery. But roses close their petals at the twilight hour, for nature she did not intend, or bird to mate with flower. There is an old age legend, a story to be told, how the white rose changed her colour, her petals to unfold. When the nightingale flew over, in his beak a golden key, and revealed to her the secret of life's love and